Welcome back. In this session, we consider the behavior of the quadratic congruence modulo A prime power. The fact that we can solve certain quadratic congruence modulo A prime power along with Chinese remainder theorem will tell us which integers are quadratic residues modulo a given integer. Theorem 1. If P is an odd prime and GCD of AP is equal to 1, then x square congruent to A mod P raised to k greater than or equal to 1 has a solution if and only if legend symbol A by P is equal to 1. Proof. Suppose first that x square is congruent to A mod P raised to k has a solution x naught. Then x naught square congruent to A mod P raised to k, or P raised to k divides x naught square minus A, or P divides x naught square minus A, so that x square congruent to A mod P has a solution. Hence, by Euler criterion, legend symbol A by P is equal to 1. Next, suppose that legend symbol A by P is equal to 1, which by Euler's criterion implies that x square congruent to A mod P has a solution. We have to prove that x square congruent to A mod P raised to k greater than or equal to 1 has a solution. Clearly, for k is equal to 1, the statement is true. Assume x square congruent to A mod P raised to k greater than or equal to 1 has a solution. We show that x square congruent to A mod P raised to k plus 1 also admits a solution. Denote by x naught the solution of x square congruent to A mod P raised to k. Then x naught square is equal to A into t into P raised to k for some integer t. Clearly, GCD of x naught P is equal to 1. Thus, the linear congruence x naught y congruent to 1 mod P has a unique solution y naught. Therefore, x naught y naught is equal to 1 plus SP for some integer s. Define x1 is equal to x naught minus t into y naught into P raised to k into P plus 1 by 2. Then x1 square is equal to x naught square minus 2t into x naught into y naught into P plus 1 by 2 into P raised to k plus t square into y naught square into P plus 1 by 2 whole square into P raised to 2k, which is equal to a plus t into P raised to k minus 2t into 1 plus sp into P plus 1 by 2 into P raised to k plus t square into y naught square into P plus 1 by 2 into P raised to 2k, which is equal to a plus t into P raised to k minus t into P raised to k plus P raised to k plus 1, some integer, which is congruent to A mod P raised to k plus 1. Consequently, x1 is a solution of x square congruent to A mod P raised to k plus 1. Hence, by principle of induction, x square congruent to A mod P raised to k has a solution for each k greater than or equal to 1. Example 1. Solve the congruence x square congruent to 91 mod 3 raised to 3. Let us first determine legend symbol 91 by 3. Legend symbol 91 by 3 is equal to legend symbol 1 by 3, which is equal to 1. So that x square congruent to 91 mod 3 raised to 3 does have a solution. Since any solution of x square congruent to 91 mod 3 raised to 3 is also a solution of x square congruent to 91 mod 3. So, we first solve x square congruent to 91 mod 3. Now, x square congruent to 91 mod 3, which implies x square congruent to 1 mod 3. Clearly, 1 even 2 is a solution of x square congruent to 1 mod 3 with x naught is equal to 1. X naught y congruent to 1 mod 3 also has solution, y naught congruent to 1 mod 3. Since x naught square is equal to 1, which is equal to 91 plus 3 into minus 30. Therefore, x0 is equal to 1 minus 30 into 1 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 181 is a solution of x square congruent to 91 mod 3 square. To find the solution of x square congruent to 91 mod 3 cube, we have to repeat the procedure once more. Let us first solve 181y congruent to 1 mod 3 or y congruent to 1 mod 3. Clearly, y1 is equal to 1 can be taken as a solution of y congruent to 1 mod 3. Then, by taking x1 square is equal to 181 square, which is equal to 91 plus 3 square into minus 3430. y1 is equal to 1. x2 is equal to 181 minus 3430 into 1 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 square, which is equal to 61,921 is the solution of required congruence. To complete the study of quadratic congruence, x square congruent to a mod n, we still must know how to solve x square congruent to a mod 2 raised to m greater than or equal to 1, that we will discuss in the next theorem. Theorem 2. Let a be an odd integer, then 1. X square congruent to a mod 2 always admits a solution. 2. X square congruent to a mod 4 has a solution if and only if a congruent to 1 mod 4. 3. X square congruent to a mod 2 raised to n greater than or equal to 3 has a solution if and only if a congruent to 1 mod 8. Proof. 1. Since a congruent to 1 mod 2, 1 is the solution of x square congruent to a mod 2. 2. Since a is odd, a congruent to 1 or 3 mod 4. Also, b square congruent to 0 or 1 mod 4 for each integer b. In order that x square congruent to a mod 4 have a solution b, a must be congruent to 1 mod 4. Conversely, if a congruent to 1 mod 4, then 1 or 3 both satisfy x square congruent to 1 mod 4. 3. If a congruent to 1 mod 8, then we must show x square congruent to a mod 2 raised to n has a solution for each n greater than or equal to 3. Suppose n is equal to 3. We have the congruence x square congruent to 1 mod 8. Clearly, 1, 3, 5, 7 all satisfy it. Next, suppose x square congruent to 1 mod 2 raised to n has a solution for n greater than or equal to 3, say x naught. Then, x naught square is equal to 1 plus t into 2 raised to n for some integer t. Also, the linear congruence x naught y congruent to 1 mod 2 has a unique solution y naught. So that x naught y naught is equal to 1 plus 2s for some integer s. Clearly, x1 is equal to x naught minus 2n minus 1 t y naught is the solution of x square congruent to 1 mod 2 raised to n plus 1. 4. x1 square is equal to x naught square minus 2 raised to n into t y naught x naught plus 2 raised to 2n minus 2 into t square into y naught square, which is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to n t minus 2 raised to n t into 1 plus 2s plus 2 raised to n plus 1 into 2 raised to n minus 3 into t square into y naught square, which is congruent to 1 mod 2 raised to n plus 1. Conversely, if x square congruent to a mod 2 raised to n has a solution for each n greater than or equal to 3, say x naught, then x naught square congruent to a mod 2 raised to n. In particular, x naught square congruent to a mod 8. Since a is odd, x naught must be odd. Thus, x naught is equal to 1, 3, 5 or 7 mod 8, or a is congruent to x naught square, which is congruent to 1 mod 8. Example 2. Solve the congruence x square congruent to 3 mod 88. To solve x square congruent to 3 mod 88, we must solve x square congruent to 3 mod 8 and x square congruent to 3 mod 11 simultaneously. But x square congruent to 3 mod 8 has no solution as 3 is not is equal to 1 mod 8. Hence, the given congruence has no solution. Example 3. Does the congruence x square congruent to 25 mod 56 have a solution? The given congruence is equivalent to the simultaneous system of congruence x square congruent to 25 mod 7 and x square congruent to 25 mod 2 cube. Since 25 congruent to 1 mod 8, x square congruent to 25 mod 2 cube has a solution. Also, 25 congruent to 4 mod 7 and Legendre symbol 4 by 7 is equal to 1. So that x square congruent to 25 mod 7 also admits a solution. Hence, the given congruence has a solution. Now, let n greater than 1 be any integer and n is equal to 2 raised to k into p1 raised to k1 into p2 raised to k2 into etc. into pt raised to kt be its prime factorization. Then, the quadratic congruence x square congruent to a mod n where GCD of a n is equal to 1 is solvable if and only if the following system of simultaneous quadratic congruence is solvable. X square congruent to a mod 2 raised to k, x square congruent to a mod p1 raised to k1, x square congruent to a mod p2 raised to k2 etc. x square congruent to a mod pt raised to kt if and only if 1. Legendre symbol a by p1 is equal to 1 for each I is equal to 1, 2 etc. t. 2. A congruent to 1 mod 4 if 4 divides n but 8 divides n and a congruent to 1 mod 8 if 8 divides n. Example 4. Prove that the quadratic congruence x square congruent to 9 mod 120 is solvable. The given congruence is equivalent to the following simultaneous system of quadratic congruence: x square congruent to 9 mod 2 cube, x square congruent to 9 mod 3 and x square congruent to 9 mod 5. Since 9 congruent to 1 mod 8, x square congruent to 9 mod 2 cube has a solution. X square congruent to 0 mod 3 admits 0 as its only solution and Legendre symbol 9 by 5 is equal to Legendre symbol 3 by 5 whole square which is equal to 1. So that x square congruent to 9 mod 5 also has a solution. Hence, the given congruence has a solution. Jacobi symbol. Jacobi symbol is a generalization of Legendre symbol. Definition. Let p greater than 1 be an odd integer and p is equal to p1, p2 etc. pt its prime factorization. Then, for an integer a, the Jacobi symbol also denoted by a by p is defined as a by p is equal to a by p1 into a by p2 into etc. into a by pt, where all symbols on right are the Legendre symbols. Clearly, Legendre symbol a by p is equal to plus or minus 1 and that Legendre symbol a by p is equal to 1 does not necessarily mean that the quadratic congruence x square congruent to a mod p has a solution. 4. X square congruent to 3 mod 5 square has no solution, but Legendre symbol 3 by 5 square is equal to Legendre symbol 3 by 5 whole square which is equal to minus 1 square. Properties of Jacobi symbol. Theorem 3. Let p greater than 1 and q greater than 1 be odd integers, then the following hold. 1. A congruent to b mod p implies Legendre symbol a by p is equal to b by p. 2. A by P into A by Q is equal to A by PQ. 3. A by P into A by P is equal to AB by P. 4. A square by P is equal to A by P square is equal to 1. 5. Minus 1 by P is equal to minus 1 raised to P minus 1 by 2. 6. 2 by P is equal to minus 1 raised to P square minus 1 by 8. Generalized quadratic reciprocity law. Legendre symbol Q by P into Legendre symbol P by Q is equal to minus 1 raised to P minus 1 by 2 into Q minus 1 by 2. Proof. Here we prove 5 and 6 and the rest is left as an exercise. Let P is equal to P1 into P2 into etc. into Pt be the prime factorization of P. 5. Minus 1 by P is equal to minus 1 by P1 into minus 1 by P2 into etc. into minus 1 by Pt, which is equal to minus 1 raised to P1 minus 1 by 2 plus P2 minus 1 by 2 plus etc. plus Pt minus 1 by 2, equation number 1. Now, P minus 1 by 2 is equal to P1 into P2 into etc. into Pt minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into P1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 into P2 minus 1 by 2 etc. into 1 plus 2 into Pt minus 1 by 2 by 2, which is equal to P1 minus 1 by 2 plus P2 minus 1 by 2 plus etc. plus Pt minus 1 by 2 plus 2n, n being an integer. Therefore, minus 1 raised to P minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 raised to P1 minus 1 by 2 plus P2 minus 1 by 2 plus etc. plus Pt minus 1 by 2 plus 2n, which is equal to minus 1 raised to P1 minus 1 by 2 plus P2 minus 1 by 2 plus etc. plus Pt minus 1 by 2, which is equal to Legendre symbol minus 1 by P by equation number 1. 6. Now, P square minus 1 by 8 is equal to P1 square into P2 square into etc. into Pt square minus 1 whole divided by 8, which is equal to 1 plus P1 square minus 1 into 8 into 1 plus P2 square minus 1 by 8 into 8 etc. into 1 plus Pt square minus 1 into 9 by 8 into minus 1 by 8, which is equal to P1 square minus 1 by 8 plus P2 square minus 1 by 8 plus etc. plus Pt square minus 1 by 8 plus 2m, m being an integer. Now, Legendre symbol 2 by P is equal to 2 by P1 into 2 by P2 into etc. into 2 by Pt, which is equal to minus 1 raised to P1 square by 8 minus 1 into minus 1 raised to P2 square minus 1 by 8 into etc. into minus 1 raised to Pt square minus 1 by 8, which is equal to minus 1 raised to P1 square minus 1 by 8 plus P2 square minus 1 by 8 plus etc. plus Pt square minus 1 by 8 plus 2m, since minus 1 raised to 2m is equal to 1, which is equal to minus 1 raised to P square minus 1 by 8. Example 5. Does the quadratic congruence x square congruent to 219 mod 383 have a solution? Now, 219 is equal to 3 into 73 and 383 is a prime. Therefore, Legendre symbol 219 by 383 is equal to minus Legendre symbol 383 by 219 by theorem 3.7, which is equal to minus Legendre symbol 164 by 219, which is equal to minus Legendre symbol 4 by 219 into 41 by 215, which is equal to minus Legendre symbol 41 by 219, which is equal to minus Legendre symbol 219 by 41, which is equal to minus legend symbol 14 by 41, which is equal to minus legend symbol 2 by 41 into 7 by 41, which is equal to minus 41 by 7, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 by 7, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1, since legend symbol 2 by 41 is equal to 1. Hence, the given congruence has a solution. Now, let us summarize the session. In this session, we have discussed some main applications of quadratic reciprocity, followed by the generalization of legend symbol as Jacobi symbol with some properties. Before we move to the next session, please try to answer the following questions. Solve the quadratic congruence x square congruent to 145 mod 256 and x square congruent to 3 mod 7 square into 11 square. Prove that the quadratic congruence x square congruent to a mod 2 raised to n greater than or equal to 3 has exactly 4 incongruent solution whenever it has 1. Does the congruence x square congruent to 631 mod 1093 admit a solution? See you next time. Until then, goodbye.